You're gonna hear me say it. Look. Look at the goodness. Just a cheap old charcoal steak. Steamed broccoli. I use the Debbie Holland steamer. And yeah, my salad. I have a ton of salad. I don't know if I'll use it all. But you know what that's got? I ran out of blue cheese dressing. I don't have any of the creamy Caesar dressing. That is just plain mayonnaise. Mayonnaise on a salad. Can you imagine that? Let's dig into that, shall we? Bill Goudy checking in. Little steak on the Campmaid Flip Grill. It's been raining. All the wood is wet. Yeah, I got some dry wood. Yeah, I could, but the fire pit was all mucky. I didn't even want to mess with it. I was so busy today. I thought that flip grill and the Campmaid charcoal would do the trick. Let's dig into this, shall we? Lucy's sitting over here. She's just waiting. This is just a cheap old, oh, pink in the middle. This is just a cheap old, they call it a charcoal steak. I think, you know, they used to call it a chuck. Look at that. Can you see that? Can you see that goodness? Oh, wow. Oh. That is good. Now I use seasoning from Casey. KCR, I'll put a link to him down below, sent me some Adolph's meat tenderizer, which I use all regularly, but I use the unseasoned. But he also sent me a bottle. I'll show it here. A bottle of Adolph's meat tenderizer, seasoned. It's got the yellow cap instead of the red. Oh, that is so good. Let me tell you. Look at that asparagus. Tender. That is so good. Look at this. That's pepper jack cheese from my salad with mayonnaise on it. I didn't have any other salad dressing. I had some mayonnaise. Oh, you know what? It's pretty darn good. Peppers from the garden. I had to buy the lettuce. I'm not growing any lettuce. I'm not that sure. That is good. Listen, I'm going to eat this before the sun goes down. That's for darn sure. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out.